Hi, my name is Jeff Senney. I'm an attorney with Pickrel, Schaeffer, and Ebeling. I want to talk to you today about what to do when you have a IRS tax issue. First thing you'll probably get will be a notice of audit. This could be because there's a random audit being conducted, or maybe there's something reported on your tax return that attracts the IRS attention, perhaps a home office deduction. When you get this notice of audit, that's the time to give me a call. The sooner that we talk, the more options are available to us. Also, the less penalty and interest have accrued at that point. When you come to see me, we're going to talk about the situation. We'll decide what to do next. First thing is often to contact the IRS and to work with them on the audit. Maybe it can be resolved at that level. If not, the IRS may issue a notice of proposed assessment. That gives us 30 days to appeal that. The appeal is conducted with other IRS personnel, gives us an opportunity to make our case to have this tax matter dismissed. If that is not successful, the IRS will issue a notice of final assessment. Upon receipt, we then have 90 days to file a petition to go to tax court. In U.S. tax court, we have a right to make our arguments, present our information, and to try to win our case. It is a court proceeding. It is more expensive than simply sitting down and talking to the IRS. If we decide we don't want to go the route of the tax court, we have the right to issue a letter to the IRS for audit reassessment request, and we'll again be asking the IRS to do another review of their assessment and determine whether or not it's appropriate. If we don't go that route, don't go to tax court case, there are still options. Once an assessment is final, we have an opportunity to file an offer in compromise with the IRS. We can make an offer based on doubt as to collectability. That simply tells the IRS we don't have the assets or the income to pay this assessment. The IRS will review the numbers. There's nothing fancy about it. You simply do the math, and if we don't have enough money to pay, the IRS will compromise that liability. Or we have a right to do a doubt as to liability offer in compromise, telling the IRS we might have blown the appeal period, you might not have believed us the first time, but here are the arguments as to why we should not, on the merits, have to pay that tax. The IRS will look at it and will determine whether or not the offer is successful. Another option is also to go back to the IRS and say, I agree I owe the tax, but there was a reason I failed to file or a reason I failed to pay, and to do a penalty waiver request. In this request, we will set forth the good cause reasons that tell the IRS why they could not pay on time. Might be an addiction, it might be a death, it might be a disability, something outside of your control. Finally, if all else fails, we can work out an installment payment arrangement with the IRS to give you more time to get the tax issue resolved. If you'd like to talk to me about a tax problem you're having, please contact me at the information below. Thank you.